Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A4 B7 brake light. First, ensure you have the correct replacement bulb, typically a 21-watt bulb, and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Open your car's trunk and find the small access panel on the inside of the taillight unit. Gently pry off this panel to reveal the wiring and the bulb holder assembly. This initial step is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small tab and pulling it away. Next, twist the entire bulb holder unit about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the taillight assembly. Carefully pull the holder straight out. You will then see the old bulb. Press it in slightly and twist it counterclockwise to detach it from the holder. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Take your fresh 21-watt replacement bulb and align its pins with the slots in the bulb holder. Push the bulb in gently and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into position. Now, carefully slide the bulb holder back into its opening in the taillight assembly. Give it a 1/4 turn clockwise to firmly lock it into the housing. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to the bulb holder, making sure you hear a distinct click, indicating a secure connection. Then, carefully snap the access panel back into its original position inside the trunk. Finally, ask a friend to press the brake pedal while you check the rear of the car. Confirm that your newly installed brake light illuminates brightly and functions correctly, ensuring your safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.